Hi friends, good morning. My name is Achyut and I am from Vizag. So today in this class, we will learn the introduction to the HTML5. So in this video, we will see introduction to HTML5, the difference between HTML and HTML5, advantages of HTML5 and disadvantages of HTML5, and the basic conclusion. So HTML5 is the fifth and current version of the HTML standard and used to design web pages using a markup language. So HTML is a markup language which is used to design web pages. It has improved the markup available for documents, has introduced an application programming interface. So it improved the markup available for documents, has introduced the application programming interface. Like HTML5 has introduced the application programming interface, which is API, and its document features. HTML is supported by all modern browsers, including Chrome, Firefox, Microsoft Bing. So all these things are supported, like all modern browsers. It offers several advantages over its procedures, including being more device friendly and easier to use and implement, and capable of building beautiful websites when integrated with CSS, JavaScript, and other technologies. Difference between HTML and HTML5. HTML offers several new elements, features compared to HTML, including new elements such as audio, which is not present in HTML, but it is present in HTML5, and video, source, embedded, and track. All these things are available in HTML5, but not included in the HTML for the media content. Improved performance and security, enabling storage across numerous browsers. Like Chrome, like browser will having the enabling this HTML5 enabling the storage processing storage process across numerous browsers. Better accessibility and inspection of HTML documents with semantic tags and area attributes. So you can access the HTML code by using inspection. And support for client-side databases, compatibility with all web browsers, easier character encoding and doc type declaration. So in HTML5, we will use doc type declaration. New attributes such as async, char set, ping. So all these things we can see in HTML5, but we cannot see these things in HTML. So support for vector graphics by default, capable to handle inaccurate syntax. So you can see the syntax like if you have any inaccurate syntax, you can check in HTML5. And advantages of HTML5. Cleaner code structure with new tags such as article, section, figure, header, footer, and nav. So all these things we can find in HTML5, but we cannot find in HTML. Cross-browser compatibility. Being supported by popular versions of multiple web browsers, audio and video tags, making it easy to play media files on a browser. Offline browsing compatibility, allowing user to browse already loaded content even when offline. Which means if you don't have any internet connection, you can access to the web page or that is already loaded through browser. No more need for cookies, as HTML offers temporary client-side data storage with the help of SQL. For HTML, you will need cookies to store the data, but in HTML offers temporary client-side data storage. So where we with the help of SQL, where you can store the HTML5 code. And canvas for animation and game development. So you'll be having canvas for animation and game development. Short and crisp syntax with his smart and improved security features. Inclusion of semantic tags, which are very useful in defining web pages into meaningful sections, are really helpful in search engine optimization. Search engine optimization. So by using all these articles, section, figure, header, footer. So by using these tags, we can Like the search engine optimization will access to your web page frequently, very frequently. So it's a inclusion of semantic tags. So these are semantic tags. Article. So all these things are semantic tags, which are very useful in defining web pages into meaningful sections. Meaningful section tags also are really helpful in search engine optimization. For example, if anybody want to search any website, so if you use these tags in your code, then the search engine optimization will show your web page only because you're following all these rules. And cross-platform support, eliminating the need to write different code for different browsers. And disadvantages of HTML5. Long codes have to be written, which can be time consuming. Only modern browsers support it, causing difficulties for older browsers. Client-side rendering and local storage can be less secure. Different video supports for different browsers can increase media licensing costs. Handling responsiveness on a range of devices can be challenging. These are some disadvantages of HTML5. Conclusion: HTML5 has transformed the entire website development process with its astonishing features. It has become the choice of many popular organizations for their websites due to its cleaner code structure, cross-browser compatibility, audio and video tags, offline browsing compatibility, and more. While it has some disadvantages, and the advantages of HTML5 make it a favorable choice for website development. So it's having both advantages and disadvantages. So this is the all about introduction to the HTML5. So that's it, friends. If you find this video is helpful for you, please like the video and please share this video to your friends and family members so that they can be benefited from this video. And please subscribe to my channel and please ring the bell icon. Then only you'll get the notification whenever I upload videos in the YouTube, or otherwise you'll not get the notification. Thank you, friends. Jai Hind.